Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Candes Maple Mixer Grinder which I bought from Flipkart recently and it just arrived. So let's unbox it.
My damn face.
As you can all see, this is the box which came with no outer waterproof protection whatsoever. But never mind. Let's open this up. This is the thank you card which we get mentioning all the helpline numbers, which I hope I won't need. Then we have another box containing the 3 jars along with their lids. The lids are made of plastic and are quite decent enough, as I can see. Then we get 3 jars. I think the material of the jars are not that heavily built and will just serve the purpose. The black maple body contains a 550 watt motor with 3 speed controlling modes. Now let's try to run this thing. I also think the wire is also relatively shorter. And finally, I leave completely up to my audience to decide whether they want to go for the product or not, because the price of the product at which you are getting also do matter. And I'm just here to show you my experience unboxing the product and how the product feels to me. So hope you guys found it helpful, and please do like and subscribe my channel, because it's the only thing that motivates me to create more of such content.